Quick video. This is the inside of Taal Volcano in Tagaytay. And last eruption, she said, was 1911, but I read something that it was a little bit later than that. But if you look, you can see the boiling water right in that area there. And sometimes cold, sometimes hot. But the boiling area is right there. See, it's coming out right there. I think you can see it in that area there.
1749, 1754, tsaka yung last niya is 1911. Tapos doon naman sa kabila is 1965. Yung Mount Tabaro po ang pangalan. Pumutok po yun ng 1965.
But we had when we were riding the horses,
Bali ang namatay po
came up, walked the last 75 steps. It's a nice area up here. Pretty good little fall there if you happen to fall down there for whatever reason. But we passed through one area. The walk was real warm.